Welcome to your laser tag experience. This briefing video will outline how to use your laser tag equipment. First, let's go through the functions of the phaser. The phaser will need to be activated before your trigger button will fire. Simply place your free hand underneath the front of the phaser. That's it. Your phaser is now activated, and you can fire the trigger button like this. This display screen provides you with information as you play. The first line panel on your display shows your character name. Underneath this is the info panel, and this displays helpful messages throughout the game. The score panel and the weapon panel. Let's take a closer look at the combat vest. Your vest has 4 sensors: the front, the back, and the 2 shoulders. You can tag other players by hitting these sensors. You will need to hit these sensors 3 or 4 times before they are tagged, like this. Don't take too long. The shield can regenerate between tags. Once the phaser has been tagged, the shield level will increase until the phaser reactivates in 10 to 12 seconds. Please follow these important rules. No running. No climbing. Please stay 5 feet from your opponent. And your vest must be worn correctly at all times. A quick reminder, remember to place your hand underneath the front of the phaser to activate the trigger. Your referee will give you some more tips on playing your laser tag game before entering the arena. Have an excellent game!